Hello friends, it's Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is October 14, 2021. I want to cover top low price growth stocks to buy. So with that, let's look at a few great stocks here. Our low price, nice sales growth and gross margin satisfies rule of 40. Low RSI indicates a fair value and also a low debt. That's a safe way to grow your portfolio. So many of you have indicated, hey, you know what? Give me some low price stocks with a growth potential. That's why this segment is for you. You want to buy low price stocks with a nice appreciation potential. So let's look at those candidates here. Go from there. From a nice trend perspective, let's look at here. We got here top ETFs like S&P 500 and QQQ, which is Nasdaq. Both are showing some little bit struggle here in 20-day and 50-day, and they're below their 20 and 50-day moving average. Even though today there is a nice opening with the bank earnings and some great news, in the broader market still we have issues around supply chain, inflation, bond tapering. That's why take some money off the table slowly if you're a trader and look for better opportunities to buy. So as you can see here, S&P and QQQ both are struggling a little bit. On the other hand, if you look at China FXI, which is Chinese large cap, that's making a comeback here. Look here on 1 day and even 5 day. China is making a nice comeback here. So that's why it's good to buy some of these Chinese stocks slowly, as it's China big cap ETF is above 20-day and above 50-day moving average, even though they are below their 120 and 200-day moving average. On the other hand, Brazil, right now it's struggling a little bit, as you can see here, making a slow comeback here. I would buy some Brazilian stocks like PAGS, StoneCo, and some of those great names here and go from there. Look here, China again, internet stocks making a nice comeback, and look here, it's above its 20-day moving average and also above 50-day moving average, even though they're below their 200 and 120-day moving average. That tells you China is making a comeback slowly but surely. You could scoop up some favorite Chinese stocks here and go from there. And as you look through here, we got healthcare struggling a little bit below 20, 50, and even 120-day moving average, barely about 200-day moving average. We could scoop up some good healthcare names slowly and go from there. And technology, as you can look here, technology is also struggling a little bit in 20 and 50-day moving average. We could look some good candidates there too. So with that, now let's jump into low price stocks. I know many of you want to trade and invest in low price stocks. Let's look at the best of the best with the rule of 40 satisfied, low debt, and low RSI, indicating it's at a fair value right now. So with that, let's jump in here. We got here the list of stocks starting with CTSO, Cyber Server here. As you look here, in 1 day it fell off 11%. And I think it's dropping off, overall here, as you can see. But look here, nice 1 year sales growth, nice quarter-over-quarter sales growth, even nice 5 year sales growth. That tells you even though stock has dropped off like this year, you could slowly buy some of this stock here, Cyto Sorber here, and go from there. And we got few more here, Walks, as you see here, nice sales growth, both in 1 year, quarter over quarter, and even nice gross margin. It also has a nice net margin. You could buy stocks like Walks here, even though stock has not done great off late. It's done okay in 1 year time frame. I think it's a good one to buy. Also, Walks has a nice net margin also. We got a few more here, Travago with the travel trying to bounce as we get more and more vaccination. This is a good one with nice sales growth here. And also as we look through lower RSI, stock is trying to make a small comeback, as you can see here, still good to buy. And look here, all these stocks have got low debt to equity ratio. That means you don't need to worry about company going under. So we got few more here. We got HIMX, one of my favorite, and UMC, and so on and so forth. And look here, HIVE, a small blockchain company, just $2.87 here. nice sales growth as you can look through here, and nice gross margin, low debt. You could buy into that one too. And we got few more as you can look through here. Some of these are penny stocks, as you'll see here. We got ITP and Job and so on and so forth. Look what's going on. Nice sales growth and low debt. That means these stocks can go higher. Keep watching RSI here. All of these are lower RSI. If the stock has made a good move already, you can wait a little bit, but otherwise you could scoop them up given they're at a lower price. Nice sales growth here. Let's now look at a few more and keep watching what institutions are doing. CFMS, institutions are scooping up. And we got Job, institutions, insiders are scooping up here. Those are the good catalyst here. And as we look through here, we also have catalyst with the high short ratio for HIMX here. And we got POWW, OPKO, and Job. This is Timken here, high short ratio, as well as BTCM. So these are good catalysts. Given stock is at a lower RSI fair value and also nice sales growth and gross margin. I know it's a good one to buy. These stocks typically are stronger candidates, and this short ratio, higher short ratio indicated by red highlight here, indicate there's a nice swing trading opportunity here, and we could take advantage. And then we got one more list here, starting with TIGR, our uptech Chinese play here. Nice sales growth, nice gross margin, and also I think it's a low RSI. You could take advantage of this one here. And even Xilinx, a small company here. Look here, nice 5-year, 1 year, as well as a nice gross margin here. You could take advantage of great stock like this here and scoop them up and take it from there. And look here, in some cases we got high short ratio. We could take advantage and buy some of these stocks for a nice swing trading opportunity. And we got silver stock here, EXK, one of my favorite here. Institutions are scooping up big time. Stock has already made a move here. You could wait a little bit and wait for a better position here. Look, we got insiders buying SRGA here, DPW. Institutions are buying BTBT, and even EXK is bought by institutions. You could take advantage and buy along with them. So I like these type of stocks where there's a nice sales growth and there is many cases nice net margin. These are low price stocks. I think they're at a fair value with the low RSI. You could take advantage of these and buy them and go from there. Look, we got a small Indian stock here, Wipro, down right now, and I think it's making a nice move. Nice sales growth all the way from 5 years to quarter over quarter, and also nice gross margin. Companies making money, nice net margin. I think companies trying to turn around nicely here. I would probably wait a little bit for a little pullback here and then scoop up. So with that, here is a quick cheat sheet for you. Look at the RSI levels as you enter. Low RSI for entry point, exit point a high RSI. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.